Joe Reece, Daquan Plowden playing a major role, combined 47 points in the OT win. Reece, a season-high 20 points and 10 rebounds, his third double-double on the year. Plowden putting up his usual numbers, 27 points and 10 rebounds of his own. Now, when you ask Falcons head coach Michael Huger about the dynamic duo, two words come to mind.
The energy and effort that those two can bring. Daquan brings it every night, so that's pretty much a given with him. But tonight to get 27 and 10, I mean, that was big for him. He has to do it consistently now, and that's the difference of Joe Reece. If he brings that consistently, he'll average a double-double. So the energy and effort was there tonight to show from start to finish. It was hard to take him off the court for a long period of time.
Daquan has been just that big brother to always just kind of be on my shoulder and say, you know, Joe, it's going to be all right. Joe, play hard. You know, you're going to have bad days and everything. Even before the game, he told me, like, let's work. Let's compete. And kudos to him, man. Love him.
Honestly, I feel like we're pretty dominant together. I feel like we work well. We always communicating with each other, finding new ways to score, finding new ways to defend on the block, finding new ways to even rebound and battle on the glass. So I feel like it's a major key that me and him communicate as much as we do, and it really helps out there.